Total of 656 CT-133 aircraft were built by Canadair. CT-133 service life in the RCAF was extremely long. One of the more unusual roles it played was as an aerobatic demonstration aircraft as part of the RCAF's Red Knight program. I've alluded to it already, but here's a little bit more detail. The Red Knight was a Canadian Air Force aerobatic display aircraft that operated from 1958 to 1969. In Canadian Forces inventory in 1995. It was employed in communication, target towing, as well as enemy simulation. The final Canadair Silver Star Mark III was retired from the Aerospace Engineering Test Establishment at CFB Cold Lake, Alberta, Canada, where it was used as an ejection seat test bed after 46 years of service. CT-417 Squadron, and then flew aircraft alike the C-130 Hercules. After 12 years in the service and then 2 years with Sky Service Airlines. And he's currently a captain on the Boeing 777. Todd would like to thank all of the hard-working volunteers at the Jet Aircraft Museum based right here at the London International Airport. Those volunteers make it possible for this piece of Canadian history to be flying in air shows today. And we're very display, preservation, maintenance, and most importantly, providing in-flight demonstrations for the people of Canada now and for generations to come. Just on short final off to our left, Todd Culver in the beautiful CT-133 Silver Star, known as the Red Knight.